everybody, Monica here with Handmade Bay, and today's tutorial is the Matchbox Paper Thoughts, and this is our first project for the year, for our first swap. So if you're interested in joining our swaps over at the studio, come on over, and I'll be giving out partners on Sunday, so come on over. And this month's challenge for February is going to be all fashion themed, so I'll be showing you some new techniques and for your February junk journal project. Okay, so let's get to the project. This is what it is, exactly what the name is, a matchbook. Okay, so that's what it looks like. And then it's filled with all these little pull tabs you're going to make that you could use in your junk journals. And this is really a great swap project. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so we're going to start with the outside cover first. Okay, and you're going to cut a piece of paper 9 inches by 3 inches, and then on the 9-inch side you're going to score 1 inch, 5 inch, and at 5.5 inches. Okay, so I'm going to show that to you. Okay, so here's my 9 by 3, and then we're going to score at 1 inch, 5, and 5.5. Okay, and what that's going to do is very simply give you your matchbook cover. So very simple. Okay, then we're going to want to do our pages, and you're going to cut your pages as many as you want. You can fit quite a bit in this project. So your pages are going to be cut at 3 3/4 by 2 7/8, and then on your 3 3/4 side you're going to score at 1 inch. Okay, so here's your paper, and then you're going to score at 1 inch. So now what's going to happen is you're going to decorate this, everything above here, because you're going to put this in your book, and the 1 inch part is going to be held here. So this is the part that you're going to decorate. Okay, and that's the whole project. All right, I'm going to show you what I did since we have our fashion theme. Whoops, sorry about that. Since we have our fashion challenge theme this month, I did mine all in the fashion theme. Okay, and this is going to my swap partner. I still have more work to do on it, but I figured I'd share with you what I have. So this is the idea. You're going to cut strips, and then they can pull these off and use this part. All right, and here I did a little washi tape, a little sticker on the back, little eyelashes. And my next page, I did little vintage look with that, and then that on the back, so you can make them double-sided. You could also take a paper clip and paper clip some stuff in there, and they can use that. Okay, so whatever you want to do and give your partner. Here's another page I did, and since it's fashion, I took some ribbon and wrapped it around and stuffed some stickers in there. I did some twine. All right, so that's a little added thing. And here I added a zipper. Now with our fashion theme, there's going to be a number of tutorials this month to help you add things to your junk journal. Okay, and the zipper is going to be one of them. So come on over if you want to join our challenge, and share what you make. Okay, and it's a whole year of learning, so if you're new, it's a great place to be this year, because I'm going to be sharing you all new techniques, interactive pages. You're going to learn a lot, and it's a great community. So let me get back to this. So you're going to take all your pages, line them up, you're going to put them in here, and then this is going to go right up to that score line you did. So hold it in place and make sure your pages will flip like that, and then take a stapler, which I found is the best way to hold everything, and it's quick. You're going to take your stapler, staple it in the middle, and then your cover will tuck in, and you're ready to go. And that is it. All right, I'm going to be decorating this some more. So when my partner gets it, they'll be posting pictures, so you'll see the finished product. But just how fun is this to send little goodies to your swap partner, or even to store your own stuff? All right, great ideas. Okay, so I'd like to see you over at the studio. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.